today I'm actually going to a book signing, and it's one of my favorite authors from last year. So fun to get to see her and a few other people that I'm not familiar with, but you know, I like new authors, so this should be fun. So take you in. Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's been like busy. Yeah. It's 2 hours later and it's time to go home. Did good. I only did 5 books. I cannot get any more books. My bookshelf is just no. But I got to meet Jenna Austin, and that is why I came in the first place. So mission accomplished. But it's my bag, and heading home. Thanks for watching. I think this is it for the day. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore, but if I do, we'll see. But thanks for watching, and check out the blog, comfycozyup.com, and subscribe, and have a good day.